Hey guys, my name is Lena, you on my YouTube channel, and welcome back. Today I decided that I want to give you some update on my hairstyle routine. I did such a video around a year ago, but since I completely changed the way I style my hair now, I thought it would be really nice to share it with you guys. So if you're struggling to give your fine, thin hair any volume, this is the right video for you. I will show you the coolest trick that literally changed my life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start with the tutorial. So this is my hair just out of the shower. Recently I started to use this Gizu primer. It really helps to reduce drying time, and also it's propolis infused, so it's really nice for your hair. Help with split ends and stuff, especially if you use iron tool like I do. And I carefully brush my hair through while they're still wet. This tangle tweezer works really nice for my hair. And after this, if I have enough time, I can let them air dry. Or like today, if I want to speed the process, I just use the blow dryer. So here you basically can see how my natural hair is like. They're really thin, flat, without any volume. And this is the time when magic starts. To create this nice volume on my hair, I use this hair crimper. I use the bedhead one, but there are plenty of them in the market. I'm separating the top layer of my hair and going to work with all the other layers. I go through all these lefted parts of my hair inch by inch, from the roots to around the middle of my hair length, and all this process takes me only 3 to 5 minutes. And you already can see the difference between the right part and left part. And then I repeat the process on the other side. And here's a few finishing touches left. On that stage, you already don't have to worry about losing the volume, so I'm brushing my hair freely for this polish and sleek look. And then I usually use something to make my hair even more shiny. Today it will be the Gizu honey infused oil. I use just a little drop of it, pay more attention to the ends and touching the roots just a little, because though it's really light, it really can weigh down thin, fine hair like mine. And for the very final touch, I use some hairspray. I spray it on some big makeup brush and then just smooth all fuzziness and baby hairs. That's basically it, and I will put before and after footage so you really can see how much volume this trick actually gives me. And it's not some fixed volume, the one you can have with teasing method. This one is more natural, more flexible. You can put your fingers through it, and I think the best part for me here is that volume will last me till my next hair wash. Usually it's like 3 days, and teasing really don't give you these long-lasting results. So I really hope it was helpful, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. The next video will be on Friday, so see you on Friday, guys.
I said beat me up, I'm on fire, I'm on my grind, cause that's all we know, beat me up, I'm getting higher, I'm on mine, got me singing, all we know, beat me up, I'm on fire, I'm on my grind, got me singing, oh yeah.